Hello everyone, I am Ivy and together with my partner John Raymond Alba, we are going to present our multifunction number calculator program. This program is designed to perform several basic yet essential operations on numbers, like calculating the LCM or least common multiple, the GCF or greatest common factor, and listing all factors and generating multiples and performing prime factorization for a set of three two-digit numbers. And especially, it is a small but powerful tool to explore number properties and relationships. Now, let's talk a little about how our program is structured. So, in our assembly program, we organized the operations using procedures, which are like small functions that handle specific tasks, and these procedures can receive values in two ways. First, we have the pass by value. The procedure gets a copy of number, so the original number outside the procedure doesn't change. We use this method for operations like GCF, LCM, and prime factorization. The next one is pass by reference. The procedure gets the address of the number in memory so it can directly access or modify it. This is efficient for operations like listing factors or multiples. And by using these two methods strategically, our program maintains clarity, avoids redundancy, and efficiently handles calculations. During the demo, you'll see how each number operation is executed with proper input, validation, and user-friendly outputs. So that's a small overview of what our program does. So let's now dive into the demonstration.
So, hi, this is the demo part. So, dito natin, we will try to run the program that we made and we'll see if gumagana ba itong mga task cases na andito sa binigay ni ma'am. So, first, let's try setting this up, the program. Let's set this up and make this run. So, what we need to do is go here sa terminal, make sure na nasa command prompt tayo, and punta tayo sa path kung nasaan yung ASM file. So, in this case, nasa downloads yun. So, change directory. Let's go to downloads. So, andito na tayo kung saan yung ASM file. So, next is we type on the terminal this. So, copy na lang natin. So, this will assemble the code in NASM and will generate yung object file niya. So, enter. So, ayan. Ito naman, we will link this yung sa GCC niya and we'll run the executable file. Tama ba? Ayan. So, ayan. So, andito na yung header natin and yung mga choices. We have exit, LCM, GCF, factors, multiples, and prime factorization. So, dito, ang una nating iti-test case is yung LCM, which is the choice number 1. Now, let's enter three two-digit numbers separated by space. So, nakalagay dito is ito. So, let's try to copy. 75, 30, 50. So, ayan. So, our result is 150. So, matched. So, tama. Next is, let's try GCF. Number 2. Now, entering this, three two-digit numbers, trinay din dito if nag-work ba yung, kasi may dito limitation na dapat yung input numbers are within 1 to 99 lang. Else, user enters an invalid menu choice. Tama ba? Oo, tama. So, dapat in between lang dun. So, ang nakalagay dito is may negative 66 na nakalagay. So, try muna natin if ito ang output niya, invalid choice. So, let's try 30, negative 66, then 99. So here, the result is inputs should only be between 1 to 99. Please enter your valid inputs. So, alisin na lang natin yung negative. And we'll have the GCF, which is 3. Next, let's try the factors, which is 3. Factors 20, 33, and 42. 20, 33, and so matched naman. Yung factors of 20, nilist niya. Yung factors of 33, nilist din niya. And yung factors ng 42 is nilisted niya. So that's it for our test case number 3. Now let's move on to our test case number 4, which is yung multiples. Entered numbers, we have 5, 8, and 12. So ayan. So nilist din niya yung multiples ng 5, nilist din niya yung multiples ng 8, and nilist din niya yung 10 multiples ng 12. Now, moving on to the next test case, which is the prime factorization. So, we have 5, and we have 60, 72, and 91. 60, 72, and 91. So, ayan. Ito yung prime factors ng 60, prime factors ng 72, and prime factors ng 91. So, they match. So, goods. Now, let's try naman if we're gonna input a number that is not within the choices. Either 7, 6, or 6 pataas. Kasi wala sa choices yung ating i-input. So, dapat, ang lumabas is the enter choice is not on the menu. Please enter a valid choice. So, let's try 6. So, ayan. Lumabas siya. So, tama. Again. And lastly, we have 0, which is the exit. So, ayan. And that's it for the demonstration for our ASM, the modular programming, which we made a multifunction number calculator. So that's it. Thank you po for watching.